Toyota builds a car this small for Europe and sells nothing like it in America. This is the 2026 Aygo X. Its cheapest engine is gone, replaced by a full hybrid, a first for a European city car. 116 horsepower in a car under 3.8 meters long. That engine died from an emissions rule, not from neglect, and the bill landed on buyers. The Peugeot and Citroën twins died in 2022, and America gave up on cars this small years ago. Subscribe, and I will show you what Toyota traded away to keep it alive. The proof is printed on the window label. I will come back to that. Toyota redrew the nose for this version and pushed the front overhang 76 millimeters further out. It had to grow to swallow the hybrid hardware, and that hardware changes the whole argument. 87 grams of carbon dioxide per kilometer, which Toyota says nothing else without a plug beats. A 1.5-liter 3-cylinder now works with an electric motor, charging itself as you go. The old petrol car needed over 15 seconds to reach 62 miles an hour. This one needs under 10. The savings had to come from somewhere. Every gram saved here was a gram not spent on soft plastic. You can feel where it went and where it did not. Painted metal on the doors, hard surfaces everywhere, and a number later that will test your patience. The console was rebuilt around the battery cells, stacked side by side. Thicker glass and extra insulation went in too because tiny cars are usually loud. They are all automatics now, which answers the question you keep asking. The old dials gave way to a 7-inch display, and the touchscreen runs newer software. Physical dials survive for the heating, which is rarer than it should be in 2026. None of it feels expensive, though little of it feels flimsy, and reviewers say the engine still gets loud when you hurry it. The fabric is recycled, the stitching is neat, and the seats hold you properly. Then you reach the back and start counting. The boot holds 231 liters, exactly what it held before the hybrid arrived. That is a week of groceries or one stroller, but not both. And there are only 2 seats behind you. The Aygo X is a strict 4-seater, fine until the 5th person is standing in the rain. In Britain, it now starts at just under 21,600 pounds. America's cheapest new car is a Hyundai Venue, 10 inches longer, $22,000. Today it wins by having no real rival because nothing else this small is this efficient. Within 2 years, electric city cars at €20,000 will end that. Watch the Renault 5 next, because that fight starts there.